Hello, I am Ritesh Gupta here. We are into the tire business since more than 1 or 2 years old. We started alignment business since almost 18 years. Been associated with Madhus not only with alignment, with tires also. Almost my grandfather used to deal with Ravi Sir's, the Madhus garage equipment promoter, almost more than 50 years. And Madhus was the first choice for us, and since then we have not looked for any other person for the garage related any kind of equipment. The machine what we installed was a 3D digital alignment machine. That was a one of its class machine, first installed machine in Asia, the Hunter DSP 600. And since then we have been taking all DSP 3D digital alignment machines only. Initial first machine when we installed, that was an adapter based machine where time consumption for the adapting doing alignment was almost 15 minutes to 20 minutes. The new latest machines which have come across, which we have installed now since 6-8 years, our cut down time have come down to 5 to 10 minutes for each vehicle alignment. Balancing part, the latest machinery what we are offered from Madhus was a road force balancer, where for the high end vehicles the pulling and the high speed wobbling issues were been reduced down to the minimize. The problems have not come across in any of our equipments much. Whenever there is a small glitch, it has been rectified within a few hours or a maximum of a day time.
सर मेरा नाम मोहम्मद आमिर है। मैं 10-11 ईयर्स से अशोका बिल्स में जॉब कर रहा हूँ। मैं व्हील अलाइनमेंट का टेक्नीशियन हूँ। हंटर मशीन से जितना सेटिस्फेक्शन कस्टमर्स होते हैं, कोई अदर्स मशीन से मैं देखा तो प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट न हुए सो है।
The difference between Madhus and other companies is the network they have, personal in most of the cities of India, and you don't need to wait for more than 2 days for any person to come. The other thing is about Hunter. We should look at Hunter as a benchmark, and no one has ever claimed that they have the accuracy of a Hunter machine. In Hindi we say one quote that महंगा रोए एक बार और मंदा रोए बार बार. That means if you buy quality, you don't have to cry later on.
Madhus is like our family, our sister concern shop, where for any kind of problem, I thank Ravi sir for all the support and the service what they have provided to us till now. Without their support, we will not have been successful in our alignment business.